Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mobo. Thank you so much for clicking my video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you no makeup tutorial for school, for work, when you're going to the market, when you're going to the gym. Basically, when you don't have time and you have to be out of the house in like 5 minutes, this is the best tutorial for you. So if you want to see the techniques, then just keep on watching. Wait! YouTube has notified me that about 95% of viewers that watch my content are not subscribed to my channel.
Bombastic side eye, criminal offensive side eye.
Why? Why don't you want to be subscribed even though you're enjoying the content? Click the red subscribe button over here, like wherever you see it, just click it so that you can be subscribed. Don't let all my efforts go to waste. Thank you. Let's start.
Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are.
All right, so let's start. If you're someone that goes to work every day or you go to school every day and you tend to do makeup every day, I would suggest that you get your brows microbladed and get lash extension. Why? This will help you reduce the amount of time you spend doing your makeup because if your brows are already good and you already have lashes, you're just doing your skin work and it won't take time. If you're going to be wearing your makeup all throughout the day, moisturize your skin. It's like the only way. Not like the only way, but like it's needed. Just moisturize your skin. Like you don't want your skin to be broken down by all of this makeup product. And you want to set up a good base for the makeup so that it can last you throughout the day, just like you want. I'm not going to tell you, but you need to prime. Like I don't think anybody needs to tell you to prime your skin before you apply makeup. This primer balances out with my moisturizer. My moisturizer is like water based, and this primer is like mattifying. So they just kind of like balance each other. So that way my skin is not too dry and neither is it too moist or too oily. Uh-huh. For the goal of no makeup is to make it look like you do not have any makeup product on, but there is makeup product on. You get it if you don't get it. Applying concealer in the places that you're meant to apply concealer will help brighten your face. So what I like to do is take a concealer and apply it underneath my eye, just basically in the inner and outer corner. Then my forehead and the bridge of my nose and my chin. This is literally enough, like enough concealer product that you would actually need. You don't need more than this. And applying this little is the key to get like the no makeup look, like making it look like there is no makeup, but there is makeup.
That's nasty, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a rough neck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drop. Ask me if I'm finished now.
This is what I look like after blending out the concealer. If you have like a tinted moisturizer, it will be better than applying the foundation. But if you don't have a tinted moisturizer, grab your foundation. The Real True Match, that's what I'm using. That's like my shade of it. Oh no, I changed my mind. Maybelline Superstay. A little bit, a little. As you can see, I'm like smudging it at the back of my hand before actually putting it in my face. Why? To reduce the amount of product. And I'm applying this foundation to this down part of my face because this part of my face is like the darker part of my face and it's the part that has a lot of discoloration. And I cannot just like leave it like that. Right? So I'm applying minimal foundation to my face, like minimal. It's showing up on camera like I have a ton of product, but in reality, there is like nothing on my face because I'm smudging the foundation to the back of my hand, and it's the small product that is left. That's what I'm just applying to my face, like just rubbing off the back of my hand. That's how minimal. With the empty sponge that I'm using to apply foundation, I'm just going to go over my under eye because the concealer was really brightening. I'm just going to go over my under eye and kind of like get away with some of the shine. This is what I'm looking like. This is what my face is looking like. If you're someone that loves blush so much and cannot live without blush, apply blush. But if not, this is the point where you set your concealer with powder. I did not say bake. I said set your concealer with powder. So I'm just going to like dab some of the powder at the back of my hand and then go underneath my eye. I'm just applying powder to all of the places that I applied concealer. As you can see, there is barely any residue of powder on my face. That's because I'm not baking, I'm setting in the concealer. For the rest part of my face, I'm going to use my face powder to like set everything. No.
Gun, I ain't giving out no nutty to no nigga just for fun. No, you other man, I don't know no other man. You like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
I'm going to take this my favorite palette here, and I'm going to be using this middle shade to contour my cheeks. Why? Because it's not that dark, so it's not going to be that obvious, if you understand what I mean. I'm going to use it to contour my cheek. Don't mind the little ass brush. I can't find the other one. I don't want to go and look for it, so I go in circular motions because I'm trying to blend the contour into the face powder. So it's not much different. Me personally, when I'm going to work or when I'm going to school, I don't like putting on lashes. But if you like putting on lashes, you can just apply false lashes. I'll link a video down below on how to apply your false lashes. So what I do is just use a mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal, whatever. And I'll just go gently over my lashes. I have pretty long lashes naturally, so
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to
if
go
you
shopping?
decide that you
We
want to
could
do
go
an eyeshadow, like if you so decide that you really want an eyeshadow, just get a brown shade like this and just run it over your lid, like your crease area, to give you that kind of like depth or color in your lid area. Like it's simple and it's better than just applying nothing, right? For brows, what I do is use a brow freeze, brow wax, brow gel, or whatever it is to brush your brows upwards. If you don't have that, you can use an air wax or what they call edge control. I use it. And I just take this in a spoolie
I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you
and
really
use this to
feel
brush
that
my brows
attraction? Made
upwards
me wanna give you
to
all, but
get
please
them in shape.
forget how that works. Way that you do it the most, but
If your
when
brows
I
is bushy, it's not going to work. So make sure that you've shaved your brows, you've trimmed your brows, you've groomed your brows, and I'll leave a video in the description box on how you can groom your brows by yourself. I like my brows like this. If you don't, you can take a pencil and fill it in gently. Then, final step is an highlighter. I take this highlighter and I just like take a dim shade and I just highlight my cheeks a bit. Like I said, everything you're doing in this video, you're trying to be minimal about it because, mind you, it's a no makeup, so they don't have to see any makeup. And this highlighter is always doing the most. I like it so much. Like taking the highlighter and just applying it to the inner corner of my eye. And also in the like lightly apply it in the middle part of your lid. It kind of gives like an halo effect. Of course, you really want this makeup look to last, so you have to set it and let it dry. So after your setting spray has dried, for lips, I basically do not like to do anything for my lips. I just like applying lip gloss and being on the go. But one thing you can do to make your lips actually look better is lining it. And then I'll just go in with a gloss. So this is what I look like after everything. I can assure you 100% if you follow this tutorial exactly the way I instructed it, especially for the foundation part, like blurring it out on your palm and just taking what's left in the beauty sponge and dabbing it to the lower part of your face, you see that your face looks like there is nothing on, but there is something on. Like, and you can customize this look however you want. If you feel like you want eyeshadows, then do eyeshadow. If you feel like you want um eyelashes, then fix eyelash. But you can just do anything that basically makes you happy. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Like I said before, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Check if you have subscribed before to make sure that you are still subscribed. Click the bell so that you're notified when I post a new video. You're following me on all my socials, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.